Is somebody stuck in the closet? Did somebody get shut in the closet? Hey. Is somebody get stuck in there? I was trying to hang clothes. Hello. Hello. How are you gonna get out, huh? Huh? If I wouldn't have heard you, I wouldn't have known you were in there. You're in there. What, are you mad at me now? Tell him, Brady. Tell him. Get him. Get him.